Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. My name is Yazir Fatim Samal and I will be continuing the report about the semblance of the Noli and El Filibusterismo. So it is said here that El Filibusterismo was a failed revolution organized by Simon, and before his way for the people to take a stand against the colonizers was through corruption, using his wealth and influence. So ang kanyang way para ma-realize ng mga Pilipinas na corrupt yung pamumuno ng mga Spanish is ginagamit niya yung corruption para magkaroon ng courage yung mga Pinoy na mag-take a stand against the Spanish regime. But for Rizal, independence is the way for the Filipinos to ease their misery under the colonizers. So he said here that instead of aspiring to be a mere province, aspire to be a nation. Develop an independent, not colonial mentality. There are no tyrants where there are no slaves. Basilio's reply for this was, science can redeem man from social and other reforms of persecution. So ang paniniwala dito ni Basilio is ang science, true science is magkakaroon tayo ng knowledge kung paano tayo magte-take a stand against the Spanish regime. And Simon's dispute for this was, patriotism will always be a virtue in oppressed people. During Simon's dying moment, he uttered the words, "Why has God forsaken me? Is not God justice? Is it God's will that the Philippines remain under present condition?" So dito is parang nanghihinayang si Simon kasi hindi nabibigyan ng justice yung kanyang mga ginagawa. Sinisisi niya dito si God kung bakit ganun pa rin yung nangyayari sa ating country. Rizal spoke of independence, of how independence should be won. Florentino responded, "If our country is someday to be free, it will not be through vice. It will not be through the corruption of its sons. Redemption presupposes virtue, sacrifice, and sacrifice, love." So this was the response of Florentino. According to Guerrero 1998, Rizal was a reluctant revolutionary and he believed in independence as a solution to the sufferings of the many Filipinos under the Spanish rule, but he hesitated and backed down. So ang pinaka possible na explanation dito kung bakit nag-back down si Rizal is because naisip niya na yung mga Filipinos hindi pa sila ready nung time na yun for a revolution. Hindi pa sila ready for independence, hindi pa sila worthy. And because they have not yet learned to prioritize the common good over their personal gain, so hindi pa nila naiisip yung anong mabuting mangyayari through independence. The Filipinos were not yet ready to become a nation. For Rizal, God will provide the means. So sabi dito ni Rizal is God na raw ang bahala dito. Be it a revolution or a peaceful separation.